What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars, the car channel on YouTube where we just discuss about what's going on, just basically whatever videos I watch, guys. Just my thoughts and opinions, that's all it is. If you're new to the channel, check out my other videos, get involved, comment below. I do read all your comments and respond to them because we're here to discuss about just the channels I cover. On today's episode, guys, we're basically going to be covering Emelia Hartford, we're going to be covering Goon Squad and Wheels Boutique. I cannot wait to cover that one because that is going to be pretty sick. Also, guys, if you want, it would be pretty dope or pretty sick if you want to give the channel a chance. Smash the subscribe button and even better the like button. It's free, doesn't cost you anything, and you can always unsubscribe whenever you want. We're just trying to build up the channel as best we can, and the end goal of the channel is to get a project car. And that's basically what we're going to do eventually, but we will get there. So we're not going to try and make this too long of a video. I'm just going to jump straight into it. We're going to be kicking it off with Emelia Hartford. So Emelia Hartford, as we all know, ended up buying a 458, Ferrari 458. And basically, she has put an F1 type exhaust on it, which sounds unfucking real, absolutely sick. And she's now gone away and Liberty walked wide-bodied the Ferrari as well. So this is going to end up getting finished. And I must say, I'm pretty looking at the kit, I really do like it. There's something about it. The front bumper, like the way it sweeps in, kind of looks like a LaFerrari somewhat way, just a small bit. She was looking at a yellow one that was already done. The yellow one actually looks pretty nice. Not a color I go for. She hasn't decided what color yet. But I think it'll turn out pretty nice whatever way she goes. Now, I did comment under her video about what color she should go, and this color is going to be in the next person that we cover, because it's such a fucking sick color. Anyway, let me know what you think of Emelia going wide body with the Liberty Walk wide body kit. I really do like the kit. I'm just really interested to see what wheels she gets with this and what color she goes. I would definitely go this kit if I had a 458, as much as I love the 458 stock as well. But yeah, let me know, guys, what you think. Should she go wide body, or should she kept it standard? What color do you think she should go on the 458, or what kind of wheels you think she should get? She's been killing it lately, so fair dues to her. It's going to be an exciting one. I can't wait to see how this turns out. And next up on the list, guys, is going to be the color that I'm on about. Next up is Wheels Boutique. So Wheels Boutique, I'm pretty sure Randy Savage owns Wheels Boutique. I'm pretty sure he does, because his Clean Boutique or the other crowds, they're down in Miami, he owns them as well. So I'm pretty sure this is his business. Now, this car that showed up or got modified is a Mclaren 600Lt, and my god, it is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. I just love them. Now, I'm not even a white wheels person, but the way this came out is stunning. They did such a good job in it. It's just ridiculous how nice it is. This color, I have it up here. This color is called Inozitech Super Glass Pearlescent Pearl Crystal Blue. And my god, it's such a gorgeous color. I mean, I would put this up here now with my top 5 favorite colors on a car. This would look absolutely sick on Emelia Hartford's 458. I think so. And I'm not even a white wheel person, but my god, like the white wheels on this, just the stance of it, it's so perfect. They did such a great job in it. I'm in love with this 600Lt. I don't know what it is about the way it got modified. It's just my own personal opinion, guys. I just think it's absolutely stunning. Just for me, it's just unreal. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below, guys. Do you like the 600Lt? Do you think it should be a different color? What you think of the color? What you think of the wheels or the stances? Is there anything you would change about it? For me, I would, if I had the money, I would get my 600Lt like that. I would copy it hands down. It's just so nice. Not too bad in the interior, but do check out the video, guys. All the links for my videos are in the description below, and check out the rest of the build as well. Next up, guys, is going to be Goon Squad. So their latest video was them basically meeting up with V-Tune, just basically comparing their Huracan, their 458 and his 720S. And it just looked really cool seeing 3 iconic supercars that are in that affordable supercar range for rich people, I suppose. Just having them all beside each other. The reason I wanted to bring it up is because they kind of did a vlog style, which was pretty cool by them because they're waiting for parts to get their builds done. But my question to you guys, if you could only pick one of these cars, which one would you take? Just comment below and let me know. It's a very, very hard choice. I really like all of them and I am a fanboy of all three brands. But for me, I would probably take the Huracan first. Then I would probably take the 458 and then the 720S. But the 458 and 720S are very, very close. But just said I'd bring it to you guys. Let me know which one you would take below in the comments, because if you were given one of them free and you had to pick one, it's a very, very hard choice. At least with the Huracan, you can go twin turbo and get some decent, like ridiculous power out of it, and it's a Lamborghini as well. That's just me. So next up, guys, is going to be dip your car. You know I love a good color on a car. I love, you know, finding these colors. If it's a wrap, a dip, a spray job, whatever, I'm all about a color on the car. And they went away and they put over, I think it was the ZTC or ZTY shift color over their red. And my God, I was not expecting the outcome of this color. It came out really, really sick. I would definitely spray my car this color. Just the way it shifts, and I don't know, something, it just looks like a really cool pearl. If I had a car and I was able to dip, I mean, this is definitely a color I would definitely go. I mean, if you're thinking, if you have a project car out there, you know, would you consider this color? If you ever dipped before, I've never done it. I'm not too sure what it's like, but I'm just curious if you have. Let me know in the comments below. But is this a color that you would go? Is this like too bright for you, or is it, you know, I really like it. I think it's a very nice standout color, very pearlescent. It's great for a country that has lots of sunshine. It would probably be shit in Ireland because it would just fucking piss rain on top of it all the time. But yeah, just said I'd bring it to your attention. Dip your car, do some amazing colors. And it's pretty cool that it's peelable paint, and you know, you can change the color whenever you want, which is pretty sick. Last up on the list, guys, it's got to be Hartnett Media. So Hartnett Media, basically, you know, I love me a good 4K cinematic you know, doings of cars, and Hartnett Media are usually always in Japan, but this one, they were in Australia. It was the S7s, basically. It was for FDs, you know, rotary RX-7s meat, and there were some really, really tasty RX-7s there. I've driven an RX-7 modified, I think it was like 430 brake. Fucking sick car. But I'm just going to show you a quick clip for you guys. If you want to watch the full video, link in the description below, because it's pretty dope. And there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think of FDs in the comments below. Would you buy an RX-7 and you like the all rotary engine? I love RX-7, but I'm very particular about the kits on them. I do like the ones with the lazy eyes. I think they're pretty, that kit is pretty sick in them. For me, I just the Veldside kit all day long. I'm a big Veldside fan, or Veldside, whatever way you want to call it. On the RX-7, again, guys, I would definitely put it into my garage if I had the money and I was rich. And you know, obviously it's a rotary and they sound absolutely nuts, but yeah, it was really cool. A really good video by Hartnett Media. The guy is just so talented. Him and Watch This Media. You can imagine if you got the two of them together for something, it'd be absolutely nuts. Just the videography would be off the charts of 4K madness. Just imagine getting those two in a collab. That would be just heaven, because you just know you get the best content. Imagine getting these two guys to do content of a meet of all the big car YouTubers like DDE, Stradman, you know, TJ Hunt, Tavarish, and all their cars. It would be absolutely insane. That would be one of the best videos of the year, I think. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna leave it there. That's the last one for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Please, again, do check out my other videos if you're new, and please do smash the subscribe button and like squad. I know you've been doing pretty actually sick. Thanks very much for keep liking the videos and just keep smashing it. You know who you are. Keep commenting, and yeah, until the next video, guys, please stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.